Come on.
Now you have no interest?
Yeah. Here, ready? Say hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. Can you say, hi, Auntie Sharon? Can you? Say hi to Aunt Sharon.
Dylan, wave. Hi.
Okay, ready? Here, let me see.
The lighting's not really great.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi. You don't get that concept yet? Yay, yay.
Dylan, can you say hi, Aunt Sharon? I love you. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. You do
Hi.
it.
No. I do not feel like performing, Aunt Sherby. But we love you and we hope you're feeling better. Talk to you later.